And by seeing this, you should know I've started doing a little fiberglassing. Favorite tub of choice, anything that belongs to my wife that she somehow has organized for using for organization. And you can see I've put the piece of 1/8 inch masonite in. Yeah, I'm shaky. I'm in a lot of pain. Waiting for that Norco to kick in. And I'm using my favorite cheap GP. And let's wheel around the backside. Gotta clean the strains off. You can see I use some steel. And the trick to getting this stuff to bend is actually to take a razor blade and score it, not really penetrate it, but score it on both sides. And here's a higher resolution video of the sub box. Just a little mood music in the background. Believe it or not, this is the music I listen to almost all the time. I rarely listen to pipe-hitting rap music, as I like to call it.